Welcome to Sat's Delicious Voyage, a culinary masterpiece that transcends time and links ancient traditions to modern delights. In ancient Indonesia, community cooking was considered a holy practice. Skewers have long represented unification and the sharing of tastes across groups. The skill of satay cooking evolved alongside the Majapahit Empire. Early Javanese cooking influences established the groundwork for the vast world of satay we know today. Satay was infused with a variety of tastes throughout the spice trade era. Merchants and traders contributed their own spices, transforming satay into a gastronomic mix. Fast forward to today, when the sizzling noises and delicious scents of satay fill the streets of Indonesia. Each area is known for its distinct combination of spices and grilling techniques. Satay has become a canvas for culinary innovation in the hands of forward-thinking chefs. Gourmet versions develop, fusing classic techniques with contemporary presentation. Satay is more than simply food. It's a celebration of tastes, a link to our history, and a monument to Indonesia's culinary variety. Sat allows you to sample the past and embrace the present joys of this renowned Indonesian gem, whether you're relishing it at a lively street market or a luxury restaurant.